freaking cool, man.
Go take it for a spin. Yeah, hop in there.
Yeah.
He's never drove stick shift.
Oh,
Gotta make sure the clutch is pushed in.
Right off the brake. Do it one more time.
You sure it's a good idea? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
My guy has the ankle bracelet on too. A little bit more fuel.
Okay.
Yep. Grab that fucker out. Yep. There we go. You guys want to drive this son bitch around the parking lot? Get in.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he's in the ignition. Yeah.
No way!
Yeah, careful with that leg though.
I tore my MCL, ACL, and PCL, but look, I'm still functional.
Alrighty, wait for this truck, and then give it some gas on the right.
The next car, the boat!
Oh, that's a Ferrari. What up? Look. What up, homie?
Check this out.
Fucking hell.
How you
What
doing,
is this
brother?
thing?
You're hesitant. It's understandable.
If I shake your hand as a man, you know I ain't no bullshitter.
Yeah, come here.
I like that.
All right.
Are you in sport mode or eco mode?
Eco.
How did I go? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Little bit of gas on the right, and then let out the clutch.
If you stall it though,
Yeah, however you feel.
Oh my god, I was like, film this. Are you filming it?
No, I don't even have a phone. Far left pedal's the clutch, you just have to push that in. Natural.
that was nice.